Alright, so here's our current production right here. If I do a video, it's going to be a lot easier. So here's the bagged noodles we're getting ready for the farmer's market. And this right here, noodles that we're cutting. You can see how the production works right now. It's very labor intense. The newer machine is basically all one unit. So we don't have to go step by step by step. We can just do it all at once. So there's kind of the operation. And here's the mixer we use. So basically with the new machinery, instead of having all these different stations, the new one is just one machine that is big. You basically dump the flour in and it does it. So we don't have to have so many steps. It's a lot more efficient and we can process a lot more. And then here, as far as weighing the noodles, you see right here, we're just using a scale. The new machine will allow us to do it all automated, so it's not so labor intense. So anyway, thanks for letting us consider for the grant funding. If you have any questions, my contact information is below.